we don't want to loosen restrictions too soon.
Marion County's current coronavirus safety measures will stay in place for now. Good evening, everyone. At 10 o'clock, I'm Phil Sanchez.
And I'm Brooke Martin. Mayor Joe Hogsett says while the restrictions are working, it is not time to loosen them.
News 8's Demi Johnson live in the newsroom for us tonight. And there are still areas of concern here, Demi.
Yeah, that's right. The county's positivity rate isn't going up, but it's not dropping either. Meanwhile, newly confirmed cases, emergency room visits, and hospital admissions are steadily rising.
One of the biggest challenges of the COVID era remains putting our neighbors' health ahead of our own comfort. As mayor, I cannot make anyone do that. But I can and I will ask.
Mayor Joe Hogsett asking neighbors in Marion County to bear with him a little longer.
For right now, we are keeping the restrictions that we have in place because they are working in many ways.
That means Marion County will continue to fall behind the rest of Indiana in its reopening. Right now, in most other counties in the state, restaurants, bars, museums, and gyms are able to operate at full capacity. In Marion County, those businesses will remain at 50%, and bars and restaurants must close at midnight.
Data and science are going to dictate our decisions and the recommendations that Dr. Kane proposes.
For the most part, he says that data is trending in the right direction. The county's 5-day positivity rate has steadily hovered around 5%, but considering a small rise in confirmed cases and hospital visits, Mayor Hogsett says that percentage could change very quickly.
I am concerned about ED visits. I am concerned about hospital admissions.
People between the ages of 20 and 39 made up about 45% of last month's cases. Also increasing is the birth to age 19 group, which made up roughly 20%. And with Halloween right around the corner, Hogsett is putting extra pressure on those groups by discouraging traditional celebrations.
These are precautions that you can take to protect your health, the health of your family, and the health of your neighbors, and ultimately the overall health and well-being of our community. And I would suggest that that is worth more than a party or a bag of candy.
For Halloween, the Marion County Public Health Department is asking people to avoid face-to-face trick-or-treating, indoor parties, and haunted houses. Live in the newsroom, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.